Some see our name and say, who's Art anyway? And what was so special about his way of doing things that he'd name a company after it? Well, Art said it best. The name may be mine, but it stands for what we do. Art said things like that all the time. Whether you're dumping seed in a planter box or filling up a feed bunk, there's a lot of work that goes unnoticed. It's not the fun stuff and the big comfy calves. It's not the fancy stuff that gets all the neighbors chattering. No, it's the hard-working stuff. Manure spreaders, high dump carts, forage boxes, grinder mixers, land equipment, and more. Art said it best. We aren't building conversation starters, but job finishers. Smart, practical, hardworking, efficient, proud. It's how you do it. Art's Way. How work gets done.